Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn that how we can enter a drop-down box in our Excel sheet. This is very important when we are working on a kind of survey or a form. We want to limit the options. So in that way, it is going to be very useful. For your reference, I'm using Excel 2016. So let's learn how we can enter a drop-down list. So suppose if you want to enter a drop down list in J column here, and for the reference I have entered some uh, numbers in words here, and which I want to show in my drop down. How I can do that? So let's learn that. Initially, if it is not there, we'll go and well, suppose it is not there, we can type it here, or we can type it in other sheet. Mainly I recommend that we should type the data in different tab, because if it looks here it does not look good. So we can type it in other data tab here. First we'll go to data tab, then data validation. Under data validation, if you see this settings option and there's a drop down list here, we need to select list, and under source we are going to select from 1 to 4, and then we are going to hit OK, and here it is. The drop down list in column J is created, and if you click on this you can see all the options available which we wanted to show: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is how we can create a drop down in Excel sheet. It does not matter where you put your data. In my example, I have put my data in another tab. So you can put it in same tab, or you can keep it in another tab. I recommend you to keep it in another tab so it looks clean. Thank you very much. If you like this one, you can subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestions or complaint, you can comment down below. Thank you very much.